Snowflakes are unique. No two snowflakes are exactly alike. Each snowflake is formed by the way the ice crystals arrange themselves around a nucleus, which can be a speck of dust or other tiny particle. Snow is not white. Technically, snow is not white. Snow appears white because it reflects all the colors of light that we can see. Snow can be different colors. Snow can appear yellow, pink, or even red because of the presence of algae, dust, or other particles in the air. Snow is a great insulator. Snow is an excellent insulator and helps to regulate the temperature of the ground and the air. Snow is the source of freshwater. Snow is an important source of freshwater for many parts of the world. As snow melts, it replenishes rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Snow can be heavy. A cubic foot of snow can weigh up to 20 pounds, making it important for structures to be able to withstand the weight of heavy snow accumulation. Snow records. The world record for the most snowfall in a single season is 1,140 inches, which was recorded in the town of Tamarack, California, in the winter of 1971–1972. Snow in space. Snow has been observed falling on other planets, including Mars and Uranus. Snow sculptures. The art of sculpting snow and ice has a long history, with the first snow sculptures being made over 2,000 years ago in China. Snow sports. Snow sports such as skiing and snowboarding are enjoyed by millions of people worldwide and are major industries in many countries. The snowiest place on Earth. The title for the snowiest place on Earth goes to the town of Sukeiyu Onsen in Japan, which receives an average of 533 inches of snow each year. Snow is a powerful force. Snow can be a powerful force of nature and can cause significant damage and disruptions. Snowstorms and avalanches can cause power outages, road closures, and even fatalities. Snowflakes under a microscope. Snowflakes can be studied under a microscope to determine their structure and identify different crystal patterns. Snow is a musical instrument. Snow can be used as a musical instrument by freezing it into different shapes and hitting it with sticks or other objects to produce different sounds. Snowballs and snowmen. Making snowballs and building snowmen are popular winter pastimes, especially for children. The tradition of building snowmen dates back to the Middle Ages in Europe. Snow and health. Exposure to snow and cold weather can have both positive and negative effects on our health. Cold weather can boost our immune system and improve our circulation, but prolonged exposure to cold and snow can also lead to hypothermia and frostbite. Snow is a symbol. Snow is often used as a symbol of purity, peace, and new beginnings. In many cultures, snow is also associated with winter holidays such as Christmas and Hanukkah. Snow in literature and art. Snow has been a popular subject in literature and art for centuries, with famous works such as The Snow Queen, by Hans Christian Andersen, Snow White, by the Grimm brothers, and the paintings of Vincent van Gogh's Snow-Covered Field with a Footbridge, showcasing its beauty and significance. The science of snow. The study of snow is known as cryology and involves the examination of snow's physical and chemical properties, as well as its role in the Earth's climate system. Snow and skiing. Skiing is one of the most popular winter sports and has a long history, with the first recorded evidence of skiing dating back to ancient Scandinavia. Snow and wildlife. Snow can have a significant impact on wildlife, providing both challenges and opportunities. Some animals, such as reindeer and polar bears, have evolved to thrive in snowy environments, while others struggle to survive in harsh winter conditions. Snow and climate change. Snow and snow-related processes are closely tied to the Earth's climate system and can be affected by climate change. Rising temperatures can result in decreased snowfall, which can have far-reaching impacts on ecosystems, water resources, and human communities. Snow and transportation. Snow can have a significant impact on transportation, with snow and ice causing road closures, flight cancellations, and other disruptions. Cities and transportation systems must prepare for winter weather to ensure the safe and efficient movement of people and goods. Snow and tourism. Snow is an important resource for many tourist destinations, attracting millions of visitors each year for skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, and other winter activities. Snow and energy. Snow can play an important role in energy production, with hydropower and wind energy systems relying on snowmelt and seasonal snow patterns to generate electricity.